What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to do with you guys. I have no idea what this is. It's likely from the pass around group, which means whatever is in this box was provided directly by the manufacturer. Let's go ahead and get into it. Open up right here, make this cut as usual, and then just sort of rip it open here. Okay, so we've got some packing materials, and we have a Hogue, an HK. Heck, yeah, this is Hogue knives, H&K. Oh, it's the exemplar. Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and get this guy out here. Take a look. Cool little. It's almost like a koozie. Sorry, I couldn't tell if I was actually in frame there. Well, okay. So first impressions. This is exactly the type of handle thickness and like solidity that I enjoy. So if you guys have been around, you know, and been a part of my channel for a while, you'll know that I really like how some knives feel solid right off the bat. I'm okay with a little bit of excess weight if what I'm getting is a feeling of solidity. Whew, man, that is some smooth action there. That is awesome. Sorry, the angle here is going to prevent me from demonstrating this exactly the way that I want to. Let's get that back in frame there, just because it looks nice. And of course, the lady of the sea. Oh man, that is some buttery smooth action right there. Fantastic. Huge fan of that blade shape. That's awesome. You got the ramp, you got the harpoon notch. This looks to be, oh man, that's probably 7 3/4 inches. I'm going to guess. We'll see. Of course, the review will follow very soon. Look at that pocket clip. Man, that's a cool pocket clip. Really wide. I mean, it looks cool. I don't know. I have to decide after kind of playing with it for a little bit if I really like it. But what's the steel on this guy? We got Hogue USA. I'm not seeing a steel grade. Let's see if it says on the box. Whoop. Comes with some gun oil. My phone, people love to text me while I'm doing videos. 3.25 inch clip point tumbled finish G10. What is the steel on this guy? Who knows? I don't know. Not important until we do the actual review. Very interesting. This is G10 with some. Are they overlays? They're kind of like stickers on top of the G10. Countersunk steel liners on the inside there. Very compelling knife. Look how they do the back here. Seam it up. Really neat. First impressions are, I really like this. I cannot wait to talk about it. That is going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like if you'd like to check out my other content. I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there is definitely more coming. Thanks for watching and have a great day.